Hello my friends, now it's 4 years that these bottom of screws are endangering my life, so time has come to remove them. Two solutions, one is a big plier, I don't have it, the other one is this terrible machine. Here are enemies. These are the bottom of screws, which are on the wrong side, which are too long and which are dangerous. So now we'll get rid of these. So now the door has become safe. I could even put some un petit coup de lime. So I hope that you like this video. If it's the case, please leave me a little like or subscribe to the channel. And see you soon. Bye bye. Yes, I wanted to let you know that it's now a couple of months that I made the video that you saw. And it's just such a great comfort of passing by like this without being threatened by destroying your pullover or your skin when passing by. So this is really great and it gives a great comfort.